Ijele don't come outside, come tell the general public, say they don't take over the Biafra army camp, the place where they take to do their headquarters, will be Odumeje house. No be smart, you know. As he don't come outside, they'll come bring so many things, say they don't recover healers and other cars for inside that place. But to come here with they see for comment section, some say that that thing na RNG, now they do for inside that place. Say nothing like that. At first video we bring, there is no car in the background. So where are they bringing all those cars to do their RNG work? My people, they say it's looking for a way to bring out the boys or the men on ground to talk so that they will know their next focus. Now wait till they see for comment section. Oh. My people, I go play the videos of waiting that happen for Osrumogho right now. More now hear from Ijele direct before we come back. Come continue. Stay tuned.
Yes.
I know there all kind of women to go nine. I know now. No, they won't have.
Yes, yes, I know.
Today's date is 24th of February 2026. Makande AI.
Oh, really?
24th of February 2026. We are in front of Odumeje's house. Because of
yes, yes.
I don't say this fact eventually now for hand they go they catch on like police. Because all this open nonsense, you are not ready to fight. You are not ready to fight. You are not ready to confront men. Yes. You are just buying innocent people. You are not ready to
soft targets.
Surrender for waiting. You don't even need your surrender anymore.
Yes, that's the truth.
Come out and fight. My promise is that everybody will be recycling.
Oh yes.
Recycling. For those of you that are asking, how many people have been arrested? Politician go come collect amnesty for your unless you bring your not just surrendering, you surrender your people. You will give us the names of all the people you've been working for.
The general.
Oh yeah.
How many years? Ijele wa mama. Oh, we am chore joge. Kedu ihe foro n'ihe na-eme tata? Kedu otu obi dị gị?
Nwanne ke bodo otu obi ga-adị m ebe ndị mmiri na-eri ndị iro m ka isi m mee. Ma ụwa ha ma bute ha ụzọ. Ọsịa amamụmụ ndị kapịnta ka na-ekwu na Nigeria. Watch all of them. Ụwa m kapịnta. Bute ụzọ.
Kapịnta.
Gentle.
Kapịnta. Carpenter. Okay, mechanic. Hey, vagabond call. One by one. Angelina, one by one. Yes. He said, Ijele wa mama, king of the girls. Everywhere catch fire. Everywhere catch fire. See, men are return for Odumeje house again if they burn unaware. No also. Odumeje house is taking. Go burn all this bush where they cover now. Umwe will be no ogo. Wanna come and fight. Potano be no ogo, but I quit for corner in Goko. If you corner a record, Potano be no ogo. Umwe Biano, Kiyunu na Borona tune. Who they pursue na? Very useless set of people. Who they pursue na Biano no ogo joy afo. Umutobo.
Look at it very well.
See him very well, Odumeje house. See him Papa house.
Today it is taken. So
today, February 24th, 2026,
ọ na-eme ka film ịghọtago ụmụ utobo.
My people, Muna Ike Dinebere, we are in front of Odumeje's house. At Uda. We are at Uda. Of course. Bad gallo. Bad gallo.
Emelumala. Emelumala. Emelumala.
How do you go call?
How do
you go call?
Yes.
Umu Tobo, Okwan Kosu, Nabazi Kamawata. Okwan Kosa, no, a cousin Galunu Kazirogu, Naka, Unaka, tell us, make we wear canvas and wear better shoes and joggers. We go wear joggers, wear better track suits. We will say one fight.
Foundation.
My people, don't worry. That value should be gone. You understand? Thank you, my people. Criminals. No be on our useless. They take. No be on our useless money. Be this thing. Ndoshi. No be on our money. See paper where then they go, they print, they use and they exchange people naira. They tell them say Biafra they call. When you come say you go worth millions. Criminals, Ndoshi. See them here. Criminals, all of them. Bingo. Oshiebugunu. See them. Crooks. And I don't see them. Ndoshi. We don't capture Odumeje will be on our army headquarters. Still come capture on our central bank. Waiting rebel. Online Republic, do content. This is that army truck that this Tobo took in 2023. See the army truck, we now have it. We now have the army truck now. Tobo. Now so it happen. We now have that army truck. See it here. Gentle the Yahoo. Gentle our market now how they play. See they don't spoil the tire. They think say we no fit carry am. They think say we no fit carry am. We've gotten it. We've gotten the truck. Our truck is back. They no born their father well. Our truck is back, my people. See that truck. The truck is back finally. Gentle, I don't see how they play. Everybody, everything must recover them. Everything. No pity. No sorry. We don't get them.
What's that way?
I know the video you know like this. The video they crazy. They snap as in the video. They mad.
You don't post them.
Make they call. Gentle, we don't carry the motor now. Say I want you. One I can't do nonsense. They go young way. But you go tell them. Thank you. This is the vehicle. No, I know the shit. This is the vehicle that one of the vehicles that they parked in their camps. So I'm going to be making compiling all the videos. This one you can see seems they are just trying to deliver it to the buyer. It still has the dealership number and they took it. Let me get inside the vehicle. Let me get inside it. You see, as suspected, this is a new vehicle. The owner has not even received it. They still packaged it to go deliver it to the owner. And these criminals just stole it. Someone sweat. They most likely by the driver. See it here. They most likely by the driver. Very useless set of people. See it. Not very clean car. See the mirror. See their nonsense drink they put there. Ndoshi. 3-seater. 3-seater vehicle. Nnamdi Kanu, it shall never be well with you and your useless family. See, they just destroy. It's a Sequoia. Toyota Sequoia. Please, Governor Chukwuma Charles Soludo, you really need to call Igwe Francis Chikezie of Asia and not the current PG. I realize they did an election this January. I think it was January 30th, if I'm not mistaken, but it's this January, and they changed the PG. The former PG of Asia, the immediate past PG of Asia, needs to be questioned. They need to be brought in, and their phone numbers need to be given to the NDLEA. Why the NDLEA? The NDLEA has the best tracking system in Nigeria currently. Of all the agencies that are into tracking, the NDLEA has the best system, and by what they've accomplished so far in their duties, on how they are, especially how they are apprehending the dealers. I don't want to mention the full receipt because of social media. The way they have conducted their operation, it looks exactly like the Turkish narcotic police. So they have the best tracking system and analysis. Their data analysis is top notch. Please, His Excellency, take the number of Igwe Francis Chikezie and the phone number of the immediate past PG of Asia. Let them go through it. Let them check and see who they've been speaking to in the past 2 to 3 years. Let them go through their communications, and you will confirm everything that the people from their own community have been saying about these people. Some people may say, oh, I shouldn't have made it public. No, you can't go back to yesterday. You can never go back to yesterday. All the things they've done on those phones are there permanently, at least for the next 10 years. So they can't go back and undo it. That's why I'm making this public. Please, Governor Soludo, if Asia is not cleaned, there will never be peace in Anambra State. If Asia is not taken care of, Uli, Osrumogho, Lilu, Iseke, then also these two in Imo State would not be safe. So all these other communities, the other part of Ijele, all those Okija area, they are relatively safe, but that does not mean they are entirely safe. But in order to destroy these people and deal a heavy blow, Asia needs to be cleansed. All the so-called amnesty programs need to be cancelled henceforth. And the military in Anambra State, the Onitsha Army guys, please, Mr. Governor, you need to meet with the brigade commander and his garrison commander. If need be, you bring this to the attention of the chief of army staff and the defense headquarters. We really need to know under whose authority such a deal we are hearing from the community, such communities as Lil, Iseka and Osrumogho, i.e. that the military guys and those IPOB ESN criminals, these kidnappers and organ harvesters in the bushes, they meet each other and they know each other. They have a kind of an unwritten or unspoken agreement that they will not be going after each other. Mr. Governor, please look into all these things. Any information that is needed, I can provide it to your people. They know how to reach out to me. I can reach out through Ikenga or anybody. I am willing to provide every single details coming from their own communities. I'm not the one making them up. That's one of the reasons I'm on the ground. Mr. Governor, Your Excellency, we are counting on you to do the right thing and put a stop to this.
My wonderful people, no be small thing, no. As it dey happen, na so they bring am, they give una. Abeg, May you now try to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.